Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this automotive diagnostic leak detector made by Foxwell to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, test it out, see how it works. Okay, now that everything's out of the box, we'll take a closer look at the automotive diagnostic leak detector, its contents. You have the cable clamps that you would clamp to your car or vehicle battery for the power source. Then you have the other end that will plug into the back of the tester itself to power it up. You have a variety of adapters to insert to seal up your exhaust system and various diagnostic testing. Then you have a hook to hang your tester on top of your inside of your hood. Let's go ahead and put that on. That just screws onto the top. You can hang this onto the inside latch of your hood. Let's take a closer look at the tester. Here you have the power indicator light. Once it's connected to the battery, you have the run key here, or start, and then stop. You have a work air import. This is where you fill the smoke oil in to the inside of the container. And you don't want to exceed the maximum fill line liquid level. So you have a window here that you can view how much oil is being added. On the back, you have the connector where you connect the smoke tube. You have this protective cap in place, and then you'll plug in your smoke tube to this end. We'll go ahead and do that. Okay, you want to make sure that's screwed in tightly. Then on the back, this again was where you plug in your DC 12 volt coming from your vehicle battery. Just insert that there. Then we're ready to fill up the unit. There's a small funnel provided that you can use to pour in your oil. And according to the user manual, you can use just your typical baby oil. And again, you don't want to exceed the maximum full level of the oil. So I'm just going to add just a little bit. So I'm going to add the baby oil slowly while I keep an eye on this maximum. All right, now we're ready to power it on. Okay, let's hang the tester up here on the hood latch using the hook. That way you have a view of the tester. Next, you want to connect the clamps to your 12 volt vehicle battery. Connect red to the red terminal, black to the black terminal. So as soon as the power source was connected, you see the power light came on. Now we're ready to turn on the unit. And what I'm going to do first is, I'm not going to check the exhaust system from this end. I'm going to attempt to do the exhaust system on the tailpipe. I'm going to smoke inside the firewall and see if any creeps in to the inside of the vehicle. So let's turn on the smoke, and it'll run for 10 minutes. It'll take just a little bit to start generating smoke. You can see up the hood here. It's generating smoke now. So I'm going to put a lot of smoke inside the back of the firewall. See if any creeps to the inside. If you look inside the vehicle, there's no smoke visible that would indicate leak through the firewall into the inside of the vehicle. Now let's do a leak test around the window sills. See if any smoke is detected from the window or the door sills. No visible leaks through your window sill or door sill going inside the vehicle. So to check my exhaust system, this diameter is a little bit smaller to fit my exhaust, so I want to kind of put it in and stuff it in with a towel here. So let's plug it in. So you can see it's generating quite a bit of smoke. Let's see if I can seal this up using this towel. So you want to look at the exhaust system and look for any signs of smoke. So I don't see any signs of smoke coming out of the exhaust system, so I think it's a pretty good and effective test. Might add, if you're checking the exhaust pipe for leaks, you will need a extra battery close by in order to charge. In my case, I used my other vehicle, parked it close by, and used that as a power source. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this diagnostic leak detector. So I highly recommend this Foxwell Automotive Diagnostic Leak Tester.